Skip. Here, your last star.
Show Grandskip what you're doing.
What
Show
you
him how
doing?
you
Show
put
what
him
you
on the
doing.
wall.
Wow, a star. Good
Can
job.
you tell him who some of these are?
Wow.
Who's this?
Buzz!
Buzz! And who's this?
This
Woody! And who's that?
a
A dinosaur. That's Rex. Do you know who that is?
It's an urban.
Mr. Potato Head?
Mr. Potato. That's a mouthful, huh?
Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head?
Look at them.
Look at them.
Wow, look at them all.
Jackson stuck
Who's
them on
behind
all by
Mommy?
himself.
Who put them up? Did you help put them up?
Oh, you got more over here.
More.
Who's that, Slinky? Wow.
Wow.
That is so cool.
Jackson, come here. Show Gracie what you built.
Oh, I told
What did you build? What did you build? What did you build? Are they bookends? Are they bookends?
School bus.
A blue bus.
Wow.
Isn't that cute though?
Yeah, there's the back of the bus and the front of the bus.
Yeah.
Wow, where are the wheels?
Yeah.
Where's the back wheel? Where's the other wheel? Right here?
Here.
And over here? Wow, you did that yourself?
The big horses.
Wow.
Jackson, you want to go outside with Grandskip before it gets dark?
Okay.
Yeah, we can do that.
We'll play with this after. Let's go outside right now.
Okay.
Is that okay?
He has us.
Outside first.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Should I get my shoes on?
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want shoes on too?
And I got
The helicopter. Yeah, that's the vacuum.
It's okay, it won't hurt you. It's okay. Okay, let's
Dad,
go.
do you want him to have sneakers on so he can walk? Or are you carrying him?
Yeah.
Jackson, can you get a pair of socks?
Okay.
Okay.
He
Hang out.
needs
Is
socks on.
that where the crickets go? Inside there? When you feed them?
There's your socks.
Right, grab the socks. Where's your shoes? Come on, let's go.
Look at them.
Yeah. Do you know where your shoes are? You know where your shoes are?
Right there. Mom.
Okay.
Answer.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're fast. You are fast. Hmm? Yeah. It's back here. Mm-hmm. Go see the animals. Want me to pick you up? Up there? Okay, hold on a minute. Okay. Hey, goats. Bah! 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 Let me hear you go. Bah! Bah! Your bah! 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 Want me to get up there too?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, move. Watch out.
Those goats.
Wow. They're all standing on tables and stuff, right? Yeah. Look how high they are. Bah!
Go down.
Well, I'll get you down in a second.
There she goes. She got her.
Okay, I'll get you down. I'll get you down. Stay back. Wow, there's the chickens and the ducks. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Does the other want to play again? Does he have a bone in his mouth? Silly. Hey, what's he doing?
Oh, flying! I say, look at that down. Oh, back there. Catch.
Should I throw it?
Okay.
Okay.
That one.
Stay back, Zola. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, watch out. All right, good. Ready? Should I throw it?
Okay.
Whoa!
Say again.
Yeah, he can't put two in his mouth, though. He can only put one in his mouth. Oh, Archie has it. Archie has it now.
Yeah. Look, get him. Look at him.
Okay. Let's run. Let's run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Let's check out your house.
Okay.
Your little house here. Check this out.
I'm going here.
Gonna go in there?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead in.
There's no one here. This is not there. This is the door.
There you are.
And this is the door.
There you are. There you are. Sliding board?
Come. You'll fall down.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Go. Whoa. Good job. What's next?
You have three.
Do it again?
Three.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
And it's in the catch me.
Okay, want to catch you?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Go.
Go.
Whoa, gotcha. I gotcha.
Now you again.
Again? Okay.
This is again.
1, 2, 3. Go.
Go.
Whoa, I got you again.
Again.
One, 2,
Go.
go. Yes.
You got me.
All right.
You got
I'm gonna get you.
me.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey. I'm gonna get you. Hey, get back here. Get back here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna get you. I tagged you. Tag.
You're playing ball.
What do you want to do next?
You're playing ball.
Well, I know what we can do next. You know what I think I have in my car? You know what's in my car? I think Gumby's in there and Pokey the horse. Do you want to get them to play with?
Okay.
Okay, let's go get them. Hey, turn around, I'll pick you up. Ready? Stand there. 1, 2, 3, up. Grab the net, grab the net. Yeah, you did it, you did it.
Oh, sure.
All right, now let's get Gumby.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
And divers.
He's in the car waiting for you, and Pokey too.
And divers too.
Okay, are they in the car? Are they in the car? Let's see. Come here, come here, come here. I'm gonna pick you up. You tell me if you see them, all right?
Okay.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. You see them in here? Do you see them?
Yeah.
Where? Where are they?
Here.
They're right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got them.
All right. Let me get them. You can bring them in the house, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's bring them in. Mm-hmm.
Oh, the snake.
Bring-
Yay! Yay!
Hey! Okay, I think we have to go around the other way because the door's locked. Let's go the other way, all right? We'll go in the other door, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Ow!
Now show me the baby room.
Ow!
Is this where the baby's going to go?
Ow!
Wow, where's the baby going to sleep?
Seriously.
Where's the baby going to sleep? Oh, in there?
Ow!
Wow.
Sleep.
Wow. And where's the baby going to get changed? Where's the diaper going to get changed?
He's in
Oh, up there? Okay.
Ow!
Wow, that's a nice room. And where's the baby going to be in the rocking chair? Right there? Okay. Wow. And where's the baby going to sit with your mommy? Right there? Okay.
Ow!
Okay. And where's the mirror going to be to look at the baby? Is there a mirror around here?
No.
I see a mirror. Jackson, there's a mirror right there. Jackson, see? You see yourself? Hmm?
Here. Here.
And where's the baby's clothes going to be? Where's the clothes going to be? In here?
Ow!
Inside here?
No.
And where's Jackson going to be sleeping? Okay, let's go get dinner. Come on.
No.
You want to sit next to me? You can sit next to me.
Okay.
Okay. Which trains are mine?
These ones.
Trains, all right.
And then these ones.
Okay, which trains are yours?
These ones.
Those trains? Okay. Which way should I go? This way?
No, here.
Oh, that way?
Okay.
All right. Choo-choo.
No, that way.
Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo.
No.
Oh, this way?
Other.
Okay, you can do it.
No, these ones.
Who's mine?
Hey.
Okay.
No, sit on the nearby.
That way? Okay. Should I go backwards?
Okay.
Okay.
Beep, beep, beep,
Beep.
beep, beep.
Oh, they're connected. Are they connected?
Ah,
Will they stick? They won't stick?
ah. That's all. Or that's. Then she.
Jackson, where are you? Are you hiding from me? Jackson, where are you hiding? Jackson, Jackson, are you hiding around here? Are you hiding? There you are, you silly. Okay, I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna find Jackson. Now, where could he be? Jackson, where are you hiding? Jackson? I can't find you. Jackson, where are you hiding? Are you in the kitchen, Jackson? Are you in the kitchen? Jackson, Are you in the kitchen? Are you in the kitchen somewhere hiding? Alright, I'm gonna find you. You must be in one of the bedrooms. Where are you? I thought I saw you a second ago. I was sure I saw you. Now where did you go? Jackson? Jackson? No, I can't find you. Jackson? Where are you? Where are you? Are you behind this ball here? This big ball? Ah, yep, you tagged me. Hey. Hey. I'm gonna find you.
Luffy ball.
Where are you?
Luffy ball.
Huh?
Luffy ball.
Oh, you wanna play ball now?
Okay.
Alright, let's get out here and play ball. Alright.
Ball. Oh.
Alright, ready?
Oh.
Okay. You're supposed to stick around to play ball, you know. Your legs are gonna be a bridge. Ready? Alright. Choo choo.
She's a bit too big.
Gonna go underneath the bridge.
It's trash again.
Oh, let's put them on right. There we go. Ready?
Okay.
Here we go, underneath. Underneath the bridge. Choo choo. Choo choo. Now it's gonna go the other way. Choo choo.
She's going to bed.
Yeah, good job. You're a good bridge. Yeah, good job.
It's awesome.
Hmm?